ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Python programming class. In this session, we will see about type conversion in Python programming and some of the examples in type conversion. Till now, we know that various data types available in Python are. What are the various data types available in Python programming language? The first type we have seen is integer type, floating point type, next string type. Okay, in previous class we have seen list type. And another data type is also there, that is tuple. We will see about tuple data type in this session. Okay, list tuple data type. Converting one data type to other data type is called type conversion. Conversion of one data type to another data type is called type conversion. Sometimes while doing programs, it is required to convert one data type to another data type. Okay, in general, we are seeing reading a number in Python 3. In order to read a number, we are reading a string value and converting that string to integer value. Converting one type to another type is called type conversion. Okay, it is possible to convert a list to tuple and a tuple to list. We will see how this can be done in this session. Type conversion. The definition for the type conversion is this one. Python type conversion. Python has 5 standard data types. Sometimes it is necessary to convert values from one type to another. Python defines type conversion functions to directly convert one data type to another, which is useful in day-to-day and competitive program development. This is about introduction, right? What is the Python type conversion? Python has 5 standard data types. It is sometimes in a program, while doing the program, sometimes it is necessary to convert values from one type to another. Python defines type conversion. Python has type conversion functions. We know that int is the one type conversion function, float is the one type conversion function. Another functions we will see, some functions are there, we will see in this session. Directly convert one data type to another data type, which is useful in day-to-day and competitive program development. Okay, tuple. Okay, we will see in detail about a tuple. Okay, what is a tuple? Tuple is also like a list. Tuple. The first time we are listening the word tuple. Tuple. T-U-P-L-E. T-U-P-L-E. Tuple. Tuple is also a list, whereas in tuple the items are specified within smooth brackets. Tuple 34, 78, 93, 890. Okay, this is called tuple. Whereas in list the items are specified within square. This is a list. Okay, this is the list. Okay, list of items can be specified within the square brackets. Tuple can be specified within smooth bracket. Okay, what is the list difference between tuple and list? What is the difference between tuple and list? Okay, the list is mutable, whereas the elements in the tuple is not mutable. The elements of the list is mutable, whereas the elements of the tuple are not mutable. What is mutability? We are listening, I think, mutability. The first time we observed this term in Python programming. What is mutability? Okay, mutable means it is possible to change in list item. Suppose here previously we have seen list, first element is 1, 2, 3. It is possible to change 1 to another number. Okay, in list it is possible to change one element to another element. That is called mutability. whereas in tuple it is not possible to change, all the elements are fixed. Okay, it is not possible to change tuple first element to another element. These type of elements are called tuple. Okay, it is also called as immutable. Immutable means not possible to change. Okay, once again we will say clearly about mutable and immutable. Now you are joining in BTech CSE branch. Is it possible to change your branch from one branch to another branch? Now you are studying second year. Is it possible to change from that present the CSC branch to some triple E branch? Is it possible? Yes or no? No. Changing branch is not possible. Immutable. This concept is called immutable. Changing is not possible. Okay, this is called immutable. Next, mutable means suppose you have 5 subjects. Okay, one more subject is there, elective. In elective, you possible to change from one subject to another subject, no problem. Suppose 3 elective subjects is there. 3 elective, you may select any one of them. It is possible to change one element to another element. Okay, change is possible. In the list of items, the particular item change is possible. That is called mutable. Change is not possible. That is called immutable. Okay, list is mutable, whereas a tuple is immutable. List is specified within the square brackets. Tuple
Okay,
is
these are
specified
the
within the
type conversion
parentheses.
functions in
Okay,
Python.
this is about list and tuple.
Int, float, str, list, tuple. The int type conversion function converts string floating point to integer. The int function converts string to integer, floating point to integer. The float conversion function converts string or integer to floating point number. Float, what is the purpose of the float? Float of input, enter number. That number will be converted into float. Okay, it may be a string is converted to float, or float is converted into integer is converted into floating point number. Next, string. str function is used to convert integer, float, list, tuple, dictionary to string. Okay, yes, using str function we can convert integer, float, list, tuple, dictionary to string. Okay, list function, string and tuple, dictionary to list. Okay, 3 data types are there here in Python. In Python, 3 data types, another 3 data types is there. First one is list, tuple, dictionary. Okay, list we have seen, tuple we will see, dictionary we will see next. Okay, the data type, what are the data types in Python means, first one integer, float, string. Next, another type of data types that are not in C here is there, that is list data type, tuple data type, dictionary data type. Okay. Okay, list function can be used to convert string, tuple, dictionary to list. Okay, tuple function can be used to convert string, list to tuple. Okay, we have seen clearly what is the difference between list and tuple. One question, important question. The tuple is immutable, list is mutable. Mutable means it is possible to change one element to another, one element to another, whereas a tuple it is not possible to change one element to other, one element to other. Okay, these are the type conversion functions available in Python programming language. Okay, now we will see converting one type to another type.
Now we will see various type conversions in Python. Okay, now the topic we are doing the programs type conversion. We are just type conversion. Okay, first one, suppose sub a equal to 45.78. What is the type of a? Type of a is float. Okay, I am saving this one. I am creating a new file, new. A equal to 78.96. Okay, what is the type of A? How to print the type of the variable A? Print type of A is, comma, type function is used, the print type of A. Okay, now I am saving this file save as. Okay, type conversion TC1, I am giving the name as TC1. The type of the file is Python. This is the Python file TC1. I am giving the name of the file to TC1. Okay, save. A equal to 78.96. The type of A is type A. Now, just I am executing these lines. We will see what is the output. Output for these lines of code. Okay, I will maximize the screen. Okay, CLS, clear the screen. Python tc1.py. Type of A is float. What is the type of the variable here A? Here the type of the variable A is float. Now I will convert the type of float to integer. B equal to int of A. Int of A. Float can be converted into integer. Now I am printing the type of B. Type of B is type of B. Now float is converted into integer. I am printing the value also. We will print value also. Its value is A. The same statement I will write here also. Its value is B. Here type of int float value can be converted into integer type. Control S. I am running this one. Type of B is integer. Its value is 78. Float 78.96 is converted into the actually A. The data type of A is float. That float value is converted into integer. B is a variable of the type integer. It is also possible to convert integer. The type of the B here is integer. Now I am converting B to once again float. C equal to float of B. B is of the type integer. I am converting integer to float. Okay, once again I am writing the same statement. Here replace A with C. Type of C is type of C. Its value is C. Control S, Alt Tab. I am running same. Okay, type of A is 78.96, that is converted into int 78. Once again I am converting 78 to float. It will come 78.0. Okay, 0.96 will not come. 78 can be converted into float as 78.0. This is the integer to float, float to integer conversion. Next we will see string. Name equal to MVR. Okay, name is a variable. What is the type of the variable name? The type of the variable name is string. Okay, type of name is type of, here I will put type name. What is the type of the variable name here? String. What is the value? Str. Just I am checking, I am not to do any conversion as of now. Just I am checking the this one. Type of name is str and its value is mbr. Okay, this is the type of the variable. Now, is it possible to convert a name to integer? Suppose I am trying b equal to some a b c over d equal to, I am trying to convert string to int. Is it possible? I am converting string to integer. B equal some a b c over d equal to d equal to int name. Is it possible to convert? Okay, we will see whether it is possible or not. It is not possible to convert string to integer. Control C. Type of D is, I am writing D. D. The name is a variable whose type is string. Now I am converting that to integer type. I am printing those values. Control S, save the file. Now run this one. Python tc1.py cls. I am clearing the screen. Once again I will run. Okay, what error will come? Value error. Okay, invalid literal for int for with base 10. MBR is unable to convert to integer. Okay, string cannot be converted to integer. Okay, but integer can be converted into string. Suppose integer, D is the integer. What is the integer here? Integer can be converted into string. Suppose here str, I will write str. I will give some integer number. Okay, above b is an integer. Integer can be converted into string, but string cannot be converted into integer. Control S. B, what is the value of b here? 78. 78 can be converted into string. Here the type of D is string, its value is 78. It will come like this. Okay, not this program. CLS. Okay, type of D is string, its value is 78. Okay, integer can be converted into float, float can be converted into integer. Okay, string cannot be converted into integer, integer can be converted into string. Okay, these are the type conversions. Next we will see list and tuple. Control A, I am copying all this. Control A, Control C. Here I am placing all this code. I am deleting all these. Okay, list L1 equal to or list, my list equal to. I am creating my list variable, my list equal to. Okay, list can be specified within quotations. 56, comma 89, comma 90.78, comma 4 triple double 4 double 4 double 2, comma 0, comma 1. This is the list. Okay, just I am printing list. Check. I am checking whether it is working or not. Print.
my list. Just I am declare the variable my list. I am printing that variable list. Control S. Name is same tc1.py. Okay, just the given list is printed. Now just I will declare one more tuple. I am converting this list to tuple. Tuple means my info. I will create another variable. Okay, tuple variables will be like this 67 in smooth brackets 89 45. My info is a variable of the type tuple. Print tuple. Tuple, not tuple. What is the value? My info. My info. Okay, just I am declare one tuple variable. Now here just I am declared one tuple variable my info 67 89 45. Just I am declared the list. I am printed list. Now I am declared the one tuple variable. I am printing that list. Okay, the file I am saving control S. Next one, I am running this program. Okay, at here CLS clear the screen. Okay, tc1.py. Okay, tuple within the smooth brackets. The list within the square brackets. One dialog we have to say about tuple and list. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. It is not possible to change, mutable. Now I am converting one type to another type. Okay, now I am printing the what is the type of the list also I am printing. Print the type of my list is type. What is the type? My list. Control S, Alt Tab, running. Okay, type of my list is class of the type list. Okay, it's the same dialog I am using for this one, my info also. What is the type of my info? Okay, the type of my info variable is tuple. Now it is possible to convert list to tuple, tuple to list. Okay, C1 equal to. I am converting the list to tuple. How list to tuple? Tuple. Tuple of what is the list element here? My list. Using this that statement, list can be converted into the tuple. This is a very important one. List can be converted into the tuple using tuple. Now I am printing the C1 values, tuple values. Print C1. C1 means all that list values is converted into tuple. The type of C1. Once again I am checking. What is the type of C1? The type of C1 is C1. Control S. Python tc1 dot. Once again I am clearing the screen. Okay, see here the first one list is printed. Second one is list is printed. My list is converted into the tuple. Okay, here smooth brackets are there. Okay, the type of C1 is class tuple. Actually that is list. We are converting the list to tuple using
tuple function. Now we will see conversion of this one tuple to list. Okay, what is the tuple available? My info is of the type tuple. Okay, I am converting that C2. C2 equal to list. I am converting list to list of my info. Okay, same values I am printing. Here C2. The type of C2 is C2. Comma C2 here also you will print C2, no problem. Comma C2. C1. Control S. CLS. Run the program. Okay, now we will see the output. All conversions are there in this one program. The first one is list. Here the first one is list. 5689 list is specified within square brackets. I am repeatedly saying the list in Python is specified within square brackets. The list is specified within square brackets. Okay. The tuple is specified within the parentheses, smooth brackets. Okay. The type of the my list, that list is, the type is list. Next tuple 67, 89, 45, which is a tuple. The tuple is specified within smooth brackets. Okay, parenthesis. Next one, we are converted the first list 56, 89, 90.78. We are converting that one to tuple. List can be converted into tuple. Okay, once again there see the type of C1 is tuple. We are saved within the variable C1. Okay, what are the values? 56, 89. Actually, these initially list can be converted into tuple. Okay, next tuple is there 67, 89, 45, third line in the output. That is a tuple. That tuple can be converted into list 67. List is nothing but square brackets. The type of C2 class is list 67, 89, 45. In this fashion, we can convert one to another, another to another. One list to tuple, tuple to list. Now we will see C3 equal to str of C1. C4 equal to str of C2. I am converting list and tuple into string. Okay, I am printing C3, C4 values also. I am converting tuple list to string. Tuple to string. Next, list to string. Control S. Now CLS, clear the screen from this program. Okay, the tuple and list can be converted into string. We will see the output here once again. Okay, C3, C4. Okay, string. Type of C3 is string. It is possible to convert tuple and list to string. Okay, type of C3 is string, type of C4 is string. This is not a tuple. Last two lines of the output, observe. That is not a tuple type of data. That is string type of data. C4 also. The type of C4 class is string. Here all those square brackets is there, but it is not list type of data. It is a string type of data. String, first character is square bracket, second, third, fourth. Whereas last third character from last, the type of C2 is class list, whereas 67, 89, 55. This is the various ways of conversion, type conversion in Python programming language. Okay, I am concluding this type conversion topic. Okay, converting, type conversion is nothing but converting one data type to another data type. In Python, various data types are integer, next float, string, tuple, and another one list. These five are the important data types in Python. It is possible to convert one data type to another data type. Okay, it is not possible to convert string to integer, string to float. How we will convert? Suppose Srinivas. How to convert Srinivas to integer? But it is possible to convert integer to string. 23. 23 is integer. It is possible to convert integer to string. str of 23. It will be converted into string. Okay, go through the in one slide I am given those five functions converting one type to another. Okay, here this is the code. I am uploading this code into the shared folder. Control A, Control C. Just after completion of this video, if you go to the shared folder means you will observe this file list underscore program py. Okay, which is available within the folder programs week. I will create the folder. I will create one folder called program week. Okay, on that folder it is there. Okay, this is go through this program. This is important. Later it will come. This is what is the type conversion. Type conversion is nothing but converting one data type to another data type. Just once again I am concluding. Number of times I am repeatedly saying type conversion. What is type conversion? Converting one data type to another data type. What are the data types available in Python? Integer is the one, next floating is the one, string is the one, list is the one, tuple is the one. In in order to convert integer, we use int of function. In order to convert to float, we use float of function. In order to convert to string, we use string of function. In order to convert to list, we use list of function. In order to convert to tuple, we use a tuple of function. Okay, write these statements and write example for everyone. Okay, okay, go through the example program. Okay, in this one details is there, conversioning one type to another, another type to another, list to tuple, tuple to list to string. We have seen plenty of conversions. Okay, this is about type conversion topic in Python programming.